gotta go. I eat. What's up, young folks? What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing detangling my hair. I almost regurgitated saying it. I do not feel like detangling my hair, bro, but it's whatever. Child, today it's just gonna be it's gonna be a struggle, and I already know it because it's a struggle every week. But for a whole week I've had my hair in a bun, and it's getting ridiculous, and it gotta go. It gotta go. I eat. But before we get into the video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. I eat L-O-P-E-P-E-L-L-O-P-E-P. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and turn your post notification bells because it's gonna go up. I'm finna be ringing y'all bells every week. Every week it's finna be Nayla posted. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay, let me stop and let's get into the video. Ew, my hair smells like outside. That's disgusting. I'm gonna be using water. First of all, this is piping hot because my sink, it produces very hot water. It's very hot. That's probably why my water bill, my heat bill is so high. And I'm gonna be using a co-wash. It's called Coconut Co-Wash by As I Am. Come on, folks, focus! By As I, okay, it's not gonna focus, but I'm gonna have it down in the description down below. But yeah, I have two bottles because this one has a little bit and this one has a little bit. And with all this hair, I don't know if I can use this a little bit. Last thing, we're gonna be using hair ties and clips. I have to start in smaller sections because when you do this, I can't even get past here. Like, okay, that kind of hurt. Like, I cannot, yeah, I have to drench my hair. You know, I probably should wear a towel. That would make sense. Like I said, back to the story. I'm gonna drench my hair. Like, look, I'm barely even doing anything. It's a strand. It's one strand of hair coming out. I'm just kidding. But for real, this, I have lately, my hair has been falling out a lot because I haven't really been taking care of it. I am using this is ghetto productions. But I'm finger detangling because the brush is kind of too rough for me sometimes. So when I get to parts where I'm like, I just can't do this, I slowly but surely, like, gently use the Denman brush. She has saved my life multiple times. We've been together through thick and thin. It defines my curls. It defines me. But you can see, like, it's tore up. It's tore up. I didn't tore her up. But that's not the point. But I might use that. I might not. But most of them be doing finger detangling. Let's go ahead. This production is going so terrible. Let's go ahead and put in the, ooh, is this old? The Coconut Co-Wash. I don't know how long I had it. I ain't gonna lie. It says to rub it on your scalp, and my scalp, I'm not gonna show you. Like, I don't know if y'all can see. I don't know, you can't really see, but I'm gonna try to see if I can insert a picture or something closer to my scalp. But my scalp is super dry, bro. Like, my scalp gets crusty. It gets disgusting. So if you like me, you got a dry scalp and you know what to do and it's worked for you, please tell me what to do. Help me some type of way because this junk is not cute. And I just bought a scrub for my scalp. I don't know who was by what it's about, but it was $5 and it was only a small thing, but I bought it. I don't know. But yeah, this is getting sad around here, bro. I'll talk to y'all in a second. I'm gonna detangle the rest of my hair, wet it, put it in the co-wash, detangle it, and twist it. And I'll get back to y'all. About the cheese on the cracker. Alright, y'all. I am done after, let me see, 2 full episodes of Peaky Blinders. What was that, 2 hours? Ooh! Let me see. Huh. Hour and a half. Girl, it took me an hour and a half to do this. But you know, if you think about it, that's not too long. Cause it's just too much work. But yeah, I'm done, y'all. I'm about to go wash my hair. You can see like it's super dusty. It's just nasty and it make you want to cry. Because why is my hair this dirty? But let me know what else y'all want. Alright. God bless.